private sector. We have the president of the... It's going to be a very exciting 4 days of traveling, 4 days of touring, 4 days of happiness, 4 days of excitement. We shall start on next week on Valentine's Day, 14th February. We shall have a romantic candlelight dinner right next door here at Jikoni. The reason we chose Jikoni, when you go there, if you happen to get a chance and you're living here, you can pass by and check it out. It is a miniature wilderness in the city. The way Jikoni is set up, it's like you're in the wilderness, but it is in the heart of Kampala. So we have called our theme Love in the Wilderness, Lake Mburo. So from Jikoni the next morning, we shall set off from Rugogo at CJ's. We will have a quick breakfast there. And then we will drive slowly in a convoy. Uganda Wildlife Authority has supported this campaign. We will use one of their buses. We shall also add on other tour operators. They are bringing their cars. Ita Safaris, corporate shuttles, and many others. Travel Neza, they're all with us. Platinum Tours, Kwezi Tours. We have a consortium of private tour operators that have joined us in this campaign. But we also have lodges that are within the vicinity of Lake Mburo, and this is Chigarama Wilderness Lodge. We have Acadia Lodge, we have Ishazi Farm Lodge, we have Mburara Farm Lodge, we have Mpogo Safari Lodge, and also have the Uganda Wildlife Authority accommodation facilities. They have self-contained rooms, I think 10, and then we also have the campsite. So the activity we are doing, we have packaged it in a very interesting way, whereby for as little as 500,000, you can be able to travel with us for 4 days. That's 4 nights, 5 days. You will eat, you will drink, you will sleep, you will do all the tourism activities, and then we will transport you to Lake Mburo, do all the activities, including game drives, including romantic boat cruises, including breakfast in the wilderness, including a music performance by some of Uganda's best musicians like
Kale ebisinga ku ebyo Carlton Scovia jali ku Media Center abikukunganyiriza